Yeah, we got the Kia K5. Y'all been asking me for this car for a long time. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick review on the Kia K5. This particular one is gonna be a 2023, but they still look the same. 2023, 2025, they all the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick review and let y'all know what I think about the Kia K5. And you can meet me in the comments and let me know what you think about the Kia K5. Let's have a reaction. Off the gate, I do love the styling of the Kia K5. The front end of this car is very, very nice, very aggressive looking, very stylish. I can't say, I'm saying aggressive because it looks like it's fast, but it's really not fast. It only has 185 horsepower, which is horrible. I think they should have put the same motor that they put in the Kia Stinger GT2, that V6 twin turbo. If they would have put that in this car would have been a great seller. It's already a great seller, but it would have been an even better seller because they would have had a performance version that the performance people love. So I wish they would have put that V6 twin turbo in that bad boy, in this bad boy, and it would have been really been special. But I do love the lights. The lights on this bad boy, that's what really makes it cool, is these daytime running lights, how they got the daytime running lights on this bad boy. That's what really makes it cool. I mean, it's got the new Kia badge on it. It's got a nice aggressive looking grille, as you can see. I mean, the car looks fast. I mean, it looks very fast. It's got the nice little radar at the bottom of this bad boy. I mean, the bottom grille, they could have made it a little more cooler than what it is. It's not that cool. I mean, it's all right, but they could have made it cool like the upper grille. But I do like the new Kia sign that they got on this bad boy. I do like I don't like this right here. This thing about me is I'm not a fake arrow type of guy. I don't like when they put fake arrow on a car. When they put fake arrow on a car, it makes me feel like they trying to trick you. It makes me feel like they deceiving you. I just don't like to be deceived. If you're gonna put aerodynamic looking things on there, most time, 9 out of 10, just go ahead and give me a little vent in there. It ain't gotta be all vented out. This ain't gotta be all vented, but you can give me a couple little real vents. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. It's gonna make it look even better. It's gonna be even more cooler with some real aero. So I'm definitely not feeling the fake aero, but all in all, the lights, man, the lights is what set it off. These lights, like I said, are very sharp. These lights right here, they're gonna follow you, follow the car. If you turn, the light's gonna turn with it. Very, very, very nice. They could have did a little more cooler things on the hood, but like I said, it's not a performance car, so they really ain't trying to do nothing too special. They don't want to spend too much money on the styling. But let's work our way to the side of this bad boy. On the side of it, it's not very special. Ain't nothing really special on the side. It just looks like a regular sedan from the side. It does have some great wheels on it though. I said great because these wheels do look good. These are not ugly wheels. Anybody that says the wheels on this Kia is ugly, you're lying. These are not ugly wheels, man. We all got our own opinion, but these wheels on this car are not ugly. They're not the greatest, they not the super coolest, but they are cool. It's gonna have a 235 tire, 45 sidewall, 18-inch wheel. Yeah, 18-inch wheel. What would have really set it off if they would have put some Brembos on here, but it's only got 185 horses. Well, why would you do that? It's not a lot going on the side. It does have some okay mirrors. Got your nice little blinker light right there on the mirror. It's gonna be a gloss black mirror. I do like that. I mean, it's gonna have lane assist on it. It's gonna be a heated mirror. It's gonna have keyless entry, color match door handles. I mean, it's not really, I mean, I don't know what you would expect for it to have on the side. It's not really a race car. They're gonna give you some little mud flaps right here, though, some small little mud flaps. They got the same things on the front. And then on the back of this bad boy, some more fake aero, like I said, some more fake aero, but it does make it look a little cooler. I mean, all in all, it looks good on the side. I mean, it just looks like a regular sedan. Actually, from the side, it looks like a Malibu. From the side of this bad boy, it looks like a Malibu. Okay, it doesn't look, it looks like it went from cool car to maybe a soccer mom car, because the back is not really giving me, it's not doing it for me, but to each his own. Some people may like it, some people may not. It's like it's trying to look cool and fast. It almost looks like a mashed in Dodge Charger. Yeah, it does. It's what it looks like, mashed in Dodge Charger. It's got the nice same type of Charger type of lights on it. I mean, we do like the Kia badge. Then it's gonna have the nice GT line stating you got the top boy. You're gonna get the K5 badge right there, the nice Kia emblem right there. You're gonna get your nice camera right there. I mean, it's got the nice little lights, reflector lights on the back bumper. You're gonna get a pretty cool diffuser on it, not a bad diffuser. Those are not pipes, those are fake. Those are made to look like tips, but they're not. Zoom, I'll show you, let you see up close, they're not tips. This really only has one pipe, as you can see at the bottom. It does not have dual exhaust. That's just made to look like it's dual exhaust. I can see why they did that, because they wanted to look cool in the back. I understand why they did that. They hit this button right here, open up the trunk, and there goes your trunk right there. A hell of a lot of space. Hell of a lot of space. You can put a couple bodies back here. Maybe 2 bodies if you mash them in. I'm not saying you're gonna put a body back here, but you can. You got your little floor mats right here. I guess they got 2 different kinds of floor mats. You got the cheap ones and you got the expensive ones, depending on what you're feeling like. You got a nice little lady, pull out the best ones. You got a little sneaky link, go ahead and give her the waggly ones, you know what I mean? Shut that down. You also gonna get a nice little fake spoiler right here, 3M tape spoiler right here. It's probably got 1 screw in it, but it is probably 3M taped if you ask me. But it still looks good. It still looks good. Nice little shark fin on the top of this bad boy. Looks good. I mean, all in all, overall, the car looks good. Kia has come a long way. They definitely came a long way. This ain't your moms and pops. Like I said, Kia. There goes your little gas tank right there. Push button. Open up the back. Here goes the back. Get inside this bad boy. The back seats are gonna be like a leather and a cloth. If you can see what I'm talking about, see that's leather, then it's gonna be like a cloth right here, like a little cloth type material. But it's still nice all in all. Nice little speakers right there in the door, control your windows. I mean, it's nothing really going on in the back because it doesn't have a lot of features from the back. But if you like to see the front of the car when you sit in the back, look at that. You can see everything you want to see in this bad boy. Real nice. Let's work our way to the front. Bam! There goes the front of this bad boy. You're gonna get all your window controls and door controls right here. All of them's mashed together. Got your nice little speakers right there. Door handle's like a metal, but it's plastic really. I mean, it's got a little rubber. All this is rubber, all rubber. It still looks good though. It still looks good. Sit down inside of this bad boy. You're gonna get that nice little 10-inch, 11-inch screen right there. You don't get a digital dash, but if you upper tier like a 2025, this whole entire dash and screen are all connected, so you're gonna get a nice digital dash in a newer model. This particular model is a 2023, but it's a fully loaded version of the 2023. It's just when you get a 2025 and up, they're gonna give you a different kind of setup. They're gonna give you an entire screen right there. It's gonna be a screen from this point all the way to where this screen ends. But it's still nice. The screen on this one is super nice. Now don't get it twisted. Look, it's a nice big old screen. It's not no small screen, very big old screen. I mean, you can just touch that. You can touch the screen too. Don't get it twisted. It's just not just these buttons. You want to touch the screen, you can. Let's hit it in. See? It's touch screen. It's real nice. This is a real nice size screen. You're gonna get 160 on the dash. You get a small little digital dash in the middle right there. Not very big, but quite small. It still looks good though. I definitely like it. All your little climate controls are gonna be down here, all the way at the bottom. Nice. I like the way they got the vents in here though. These vents are very nice. I like the way they got the vents. You know I got the air on because it's baking outside. Steering wheel looks real good. I like the steering wheel. Actually, it looks just like my Kia Stinger steering wheel. It's gonna say GT line, letting everybody know you got the top-notch version. Here goes some more controls right there. You pop that. He can want to pop the trunk. You can hit that button right there. There goes the USB ports. It doesn't have any C ports in this bad boy. Also, you can use this button right here for your drive modes. That button right there is for your heated and cool seats. Heated steering wheel button right there. Exactly how my Kia is. This one is right here. This car is set up the same way. All your little controls are right here. There goes your gear shifter right there. I like the gear shifter. It's pretty cool. Actually, it's pretty cool gear shifter. You get park, reverse, neutral, drive. Hit it to the side. You can do manual modes. This one does not have any pedal shifters because it doesn't have any pedal shifters. With 190, 180 horsepower, you do not need no pedal shifters. You also gonna get a big roof. Let me open it up. As you can see, you get a real big old roof, nice size roof. Actually, it's the same size roof as my Kia Stinger. I like that. That's a nice size roof right there. Shed it up if you want to go ahead and shed it. I'm holding this button right here. Very nice, but we're gonna open it up because we need all that lighting to help us out. All in all, the interior of this Kia K5 is great. For the money that you're gonna pay for the car, it's wonderful. It's nice. I cannot lie. Kia has come a long way. This is a very nice car. Is it the best car? No. But for a nice, affordable car to get you from point A to point Z, wonderful car. and it's not gonna break the bank. You're not gonna be overpaying for the car. This car, brand new, probably run you about 40,000. That's too much. I wouldn't pay for it. I would never get one of these brand new. I would get them used all the time, because you can get a good used one with very low miles. Probably get it for like 30, 28. Get a mid used one for like 25, 28 to 25 down, and you can get a highly used one for 20. It depends on what you want to do. You know, we all in different kind of situations. You know, I myself like to buy used cars. I can buy some cars I buy new, but mostly used. Mostly all of them are used. The only thing I bought new ever was my Jeep. My TRX, I bought it used. My Hellcat, I bought it used. My ZL1 1LE, I bought used. All of them, I bought them used, baby. My Kia Stinger, used, baby. Just depends on your situation. But let's pop the hood and see what's under that hood. Let's see that little trash doodle can motor, because it is trash. The motor is trash. If you a performance guy like me, it's trash. But if you just a regular old person, 2 thumbs up. Bam! There goes the motor right there. Turbo GTI Smart Stream. There you go. I mean, it ain't really nothing special. I mean, you wanted to see it, so I gave you what you wanted to see. It is what it is. But it is special for this little car. Let's go ahead and take this bad boy for a quick little spin and see if it's worth it. We threw this bad boy in sports mode, you know what I mean? I don't know why, but we threw it in sports mode, so we gonna see what it's talking about, you know what I'm saying? It got a flat bottom steering wheel, so it should be real ooey gooey. See if I can get on up out of here. This bad boy is sitting a little low. Psych. It's got a little pep. It's got a little pep, a little pew. There goes another Kia K5 right there. Look at that one. It's a great one right there that just rolled past us. It was nice. It ain't nicer than the one I'm in, though. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's a comfortable little whip. It's a comfortable little ride. I got the seat adjusted perfectly for myself. Short little 5'7" guy. $165, you know. All muscle, though. So if you run up on me and you 200 and you think you about to sling me around, I'm all muscle. You're going to have a long, long day, if you know what I mean. We got the popo right there, and they looking right at me, too. I got my camera. I mean, we're on a quite bumpy road, because you know I like to take the bumpiest road I can find. And the suspension is okay. It ain't the greatest suspension. I mean, you get what you pay for, but the suspension is good enough. It's subpar. We're going to say mid-grade suspension, but it's good enough for what you're paying for. Does the car drive good though? Yes, I think it drives great for what it is. I mean, this is not a Mercedes. This is not a Hellcat, ZL1. It's not. There's none of those type of things. It's not no Lexus. It's a Kia K5. It's a top version of their little sedan, and they did a wonderful job on this bad boy. It's like I always say, this is not your grandfather, grandmother's Kia. They done came up a long way. They making much better equipment, and I must say, 2 thumbs up, because I'm enjoying the ride of this bad boy. We in Mexico, we seeing the beautiful scenery. No complaints my way. I guess we're gonna go ahead and give it a little gas, see what it's talking about. Oh, it's fast. It's fast enough. It's fast enough for your baby mama, you know what I'm saying? She don't need nothing more than this. It got quick. It's a quick little car. We ain't gonna say it's fast, but it's definitely quick. It did what it was supposed to do. I pressed on the gas and it got busy. Let's do it again. Look at that. And it's got a little hum to it too. Yeah, it's fast enough. It's definitely fast enough. I mean, we ain't trying to be the fastest in the Kia K5. Like I said, we ain't trying to be the fastest in the Kia K5, but like I did say, I wish they would have put that twin turbo V6 in this bad boy and made a performance version for this car, because if they made a performance version, it would sold like hotcakes. It would have sold like hotcakes, made it a little more aerodynamic looking, put some a little bit bigger tires, maybe put some 20-inch wheels on a 245, 255, maybe 275 tire, all-wheel drive. They would have been working with something. They would have had a top-selling car right here. Put the same exact, it would have been like a Kia Stinger, but a different name. Same car, different name, new body style, if you know what I mean. But it does have a nice little get up to it. And it does drive real good. It drives real good. I mean, I'm not complaining. And for the price tag, you really can't complain. This particular one has 46,000 miles on it. I think they want like 25,000 for it, maybe 24. I'm pretty sure you can talk them down to 23. I mean, maybe less than that if you know how to talk. I mean, I know how to talk, so I can get them down if I wanted it. I like this car. My fiance wanted the Kia K5, but we ended up going with the Stinger GT2. Better decision. But if you in the mood for a little cheaper car, a nice car, a respectable car you can get in, it's gonna start right up, get you a K5. Definitely a wonderful car. You're gonna definitely get some looks because it's a good looking car. And you can definitely get a couple people asking you, man, what kind of car is that? Yeah, I mean, I like it. A brand new one of these, like I said, probably run you about 40,000, 38, 40,000. Not a lot of money, but too much money for a Kia K5, in my opinion. I think it should be cheaper brand new. I think for a brand new one of these, it should cost you $32,000 tops. But that's just me. But a good used one though, yeah, I buy it used. I definitely buy it used or lease it. I would lease it or buy it used. Those are the two things I would do with the Kia K5. I would never buy one of these brand new. Why? When you can get it much cheaper used. You know what I mean? Performance-wise, for 190 horsepower, it over exceeds itself. It does much better than the horsepower is saying. I feel like it's got like 220, 230. Because when you press on the gas, it's got a little lag. It's got that turbo, but once that turbo kick in, it gets busy. So yeah, but like I said, turbo engines, you know what I'm saying, especially smaller turbo engines, once they go bad, they go bad. So if you're gonna buy a used one, make sure you get a good warranty on that bad boy, a great warranty. But other than that, like I said, that's why I said I would lease one instead of buying it. I would just lease it or buy it used with a good warranty on it. But to each his own. But it, like you said, you can't say it don't look good, because it does look good. That's one thing you can't say. It does. You can never tell me it don't look good. I wish it would have had a heads-up display. That would have been even nicer if it had a heads-up display. But yeah, it looks good inside this little bad boy, and it drives real good. This is a great daily. This is a great daily car. Like I said, a great car for your baby mama or your baby daddy. If you want making all the money in the household, or you got you a baby daddy, he ain't got no car, you can buy him one of these. You got your baby mama and she ain't got no car, buy her one of these, and she better shut her lips up. Talking about something, I wanted something better. You get what I get you. But yeah, this is a great little car. If you got you a baby mama, she ain't got no transportation, buy her a Kia K5 used. You know what I'm saying? If she complain, tell her, I'm paying for it. I got you a nice, great car. Get you to point A and point B, heated and cool seats, big boy screen, everything you need in the car. Remote start, perfect for your baby mama or your broke baby daddy if they can't afford it. Or just if your starter car, wonderful starter car for your college student or your young child or somebody that's getting a brand new car. This is the perfect car for you. I love it. I can't complain. I would buy, if I had enough money to blow on another daily, because I got too many cars anyway. But if I had some money to blow, I'd get one of these bad boys. I definitely would. But like I said, the only thing I'm mad about is they didn't put a bigger motor in this bad boy. Everything else is perfect. They did everything else perfect. They did everything perfect on this car instead of give it a bigger motor. If they would have gave it a bigger motor, it would have been perfect. Put some Brembos on this bad boy, you would have been working with something very, very nice, very wonderful. It's already a nice car. I can't say it's not a nice car. Don't get it twisted. Wonderful car. Meet me in the comments and let me know what you think about the Kia K5. Do you think it's a wonderful car? I definitely think it's a wonderful car. I think it's a great car. Should they have made a performance version? Of course I think they should have. They dropped the ball on that when they missed out on a lot of extra customers by not putting a performance version, but it is what it is. But I enjoyed the Kia K5, wonderful car. If anybody asks me, man, I ain't really got a lot of money to buy a car, but I want a nice car, I would say get you a Kia K5. Wonderful car, good looking car. You can do a lot of things to this car to make it look even better. So yeah, wonderful car. But I'm gonna go ahead and slide on up out of here, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the review on the Kia K5. Meet me in the comments and let me know what you think about this whip. I think it's a great one. I'm gonna slide on up out of here. Peace. Ooh-wee, look at this Durango Hellcat. Got the pearl white on it. This thing is nasty.